Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel, man. It's been so long since I've made a video. Just real brief on what's been going on in my life. Obviously, you guys know that the car just kind of needs a little bit of things to get it finished up. Just gonna wait for tax season to do it, guys. I don't want to rush anything. I want to do it the right way, especially when I have extra money. What else? Yeah, I've been busy working. I've been tattooing a lot. I don't know, man. This whole COVID thing has been bringing everybody in, which is nice. So I'm making money that way. As far as the channel goes, yeah, I just haven't really been posting much. I broke my other phone. The thing is like bent, and the screen's cracked. I mean, I was still using it for a while, but I wasn't gonna try to make any videos on it. No way. So all my like editing stuff is on that phone. Like my intro and my outro is all on the phone. I got to transfer everything over, all the music and stuff, because you guys know how YouTube is with the music copyright issue. You know, we're allowed, as creators, we're allowed to use music that YouTube provides for us for free, and that way we don't have to have any copyright issues with videos either getting banned or not being able to make money off the videos. So that's a big important thing. I need to go through there. I have lots of music on there, so I got to get on there and I got to transfer all that stuff over. It takes some time, and I just haven't had time to do that, so I just kind of been like low-key, you know. But I do try to post on Instagram, so if you guys are following me there, that's a good way to kind of see like what I'm doing, what I'm up to. Anyways, I hope everybody's doing really good. What we got here for this video today, as you guys see, we are in my house, and I'm gonna, right behind the camera, right behind you guys, I got what I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna switch the camera over right now. All right, so now we got the camera switched around, and we got a blanket covering something. Let's put my hand here. And you guys are probably wondering what it is. So unless you're following me on Instagram, then you might have an idea on what it is. So this is a Christmas gift to my kids, and it is race related. So I wanted to build them something nice. I still have a lot of work to do to it. Things have been pretty hectic, guys. So I still have a lot of work to do to it before it's finalized. But this is where we're at right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and reveal what we got under here. So what I built for them is a racing simulator. And I think that it's gonna be pretty fun for them. I mean, I really didn't want to show them what I was building them for Christmas, but I had to show them because I needed them to kind of sit in it as I'm building it, so that way I know how to make the overall length of everything so it fits them. All right, so guys, you're probably wondering, some of you parents out there, you guys might recognize this name here, Even Flow. It is a car seat, and it's rated anywhere from 20 pounds to 120 pounds. I was gonna order them originally a drag seat, a youth drag seat, a plastic one, like a bucket seat, but I was looking on Summit Racing, and the seats were going for like 30 bucks or 35 bucks or something like that for the plastic seat. It wasn't a full-on bucket seat, which was kind of disappointing, but for the price, it seemed pretty good. But then when I put it in the checkout to pay for it, the shipping went way up, and it was like another 35 bucks for shipping. And I'm thinking, you know, for 70, 80 bucks for a plastic seat that's not gonna have any cushions in it, which means I'm gonna have to spend another like 50, 60 bucks on cushions. I'll have to buy rails for it. That's gonna be like another 60 bucks. It's getting up there in price, and I'm not trying to spend $150 on a racing seat that's not even official, like going in something that they can actually drive around on. So the price was getting up there, and I was thinking, you know what? I was gonna order it anyway, but then I started thinking about the shipping times and how everybody's ordering stuff for the holidays. It was probably going to be some delays. At least I was expecting at least a 2-week on the shipping, at least. And that doesn't really give me much time to build the rest of the frame here, the actual simulator, all the wood framework. Because if it comes in a week or two, Christmas is right around the corner, that puts a lot of pressure on me to get it done. And then what if it comes late, you know? So went to Walmart, started looking at what they had for car seats, and I'm thinking, which one of these seats looks more like a bucket seat and would be comfortable for them to sit in for hours at a time playing the video game. And I went with this one. This seat ran me like 65 bucks. So almost the same price as the other one. A little bit more comfort because it's got the padding and everything in there. It's got a nice, it's got this right here for head movement and stuff, which you guys already know. That's like real safety standard stuff. So I wanted them to have the most realistic experience sitting in this thing to actually being in a race car and actually get lost in the experience as possible. So that's why I went with this. I'll put up a picture of the Summit Racing youth seat I was going to buy them, the plastic one, and so that way you guys can see that one. It's the Thrustmaster brand. If any of you guys are gamers out there, you guys should know this. The Thrustmaster is a very good brand for as far as realism goes and how the mechanics work within the components of the product. The pedals actually have resistance, guys. Like, there's a lot of force, so when you're pressing them in, it feels realistic on those pedals. The steering wheel also has resistance. Now, it doesn't go to 900 degrees like some of them do, but it does go most of the way, which I think is plenty for a video game. It's a paddle shifter. Like I said, guys, I'm still not sure how they're going to handle this thing. If they full on love it and they play it all the time, then sure, I'll upgrade everything. I'll go with the best stuff that you can get. But for now, we'll just see how it is. I think that this will be a good experience. Mind you, they're 8. One's 8 years old and the other one's 6. So I think that this is plenty. Steering wheel has feedback. It has paddle shifters that are actually metal. I mean, this thing it's solid, guys. Like, the steering here, like, it moves. I mean, like, this right here moves because this is all mounted. Like, I didn't fully mount all of this yet. This is all just kind of set up here for testing. But you can see that the steering wheel actually has, it moves back, and I can already feel the tension building on it, like around here. So between them playing it and feeling the vibration through the steering wheel from the game and everything, this is gonna feel super realistic.